So, what are some alternative solutions?
Yeah. Well, I think one of the most powerful natural healing methods is all about nutrition.
Mm,
I mean, the foods we eat have a direct and profound impact on our health.
that's true.
And when you make the right choices of foods, it can be very transformative because you eat to fuel your body with optimal nutrition. You don't eat just to satisfy a hunger bug.
Yeah. Yeah, and we can't eat like it's New Year's Eve
No,
every day. That's just not
that causes disease.
that exactly. It's like I would love to indulge every day, but that's not happening every day, and that's not even happening every month. That's like once in a blue moon, a special occasion,
Yeah,
and not multiple special occasions, right?
no, can't do it.
Yeah, so we have seen people reverse chronic diseases just
Yeah,
by changing their diet, right?
yeah, 100%. Yeah, when you focus on the whole nutrient-dense foods, people have been able to reverse chronic diseases like diabetes and even heart disease,
Yeah, skin issues. Yeah, yeah,
skin issues.
yeah.
Yeah.
We've seen more than just the reversal, right? We've seen complete transformation, right?
From energy to vibrancy, diseases,
Skin.
skin issues, like you said.
Yeah, I have a friend and she's made just a couple minor tweaks to her diet, and it's like her face looks so much brighter, right? And when you look at her family, she's trying to talk to them to eat like her, and it's like they're resisting her. But when you look at her compared to them, she looks more vibrant.
Yeah. That's one of the things you have to acknowledge that you do have a problem, and
Mm-hmm.
you want to actually solve that problem now.
Mm-hmm.
It's the only way that communication and that conversation will take place, whether it's friends or family. Not everybody's going to be open to it
Yeah.
because they don't realize they have a problem. You got to realize it, acknowledge it, and then want to solve that problem and solve that problem now.
Well, I tell her to be that, continue to be that positive, silent inspiration, right? Because at some point they're going to take stock and notice, oh my gosh,
They will.
mom looks good.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, mom has energy. Oh my gosh, mom here looks good. They will notice, right? Mom has energy to do all these things and run all over here, and she's not tired. It's
Yeah.
like, with me, with us, you didn't want, I shouldn't say you didn't want, because you ate whatever I put in front of you, but you were like, yeah, 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 right?
You gotta be ready for that to make that transformation.
Yeah.
So yeah, so nutrition is so important to have that conversation. What other things do you think are a way to approach natural healing?
I think herbal remedies is another powerful tool in the natural healing arsenal, right?
Yeah.
Something such as turmeric, right? Ginger. These are ancient remedies that's been used for centuries to promote healing and reduce inflammation.
Yeah, no, we eat a lot of turmeric on our tofu. Like a little tofu scramble kind of takes a place for our eggs. And believe it or not, people don't know this, but tofu is a complete protein source, has all the amino acids you need.
Yeah.
People think, oh, I need meat because I need my essential amino acids. No, tofu you can have directly. And then you throw some turmeric on there.
Yeah.
Now it's inflammatory, anti-inflammatory, excuse me.
Yeah. Yeah, we make turmeric lattes.
Yeah.
We make chickpea scramble. We put turmeric in it. It's
beautiful.
And a bunch of other recipes.
Yeah. So definitely, I'm with you on the herbs. Herbs are great. I think another thing too is just our lifestyle changes. I'm talking about the exercise, stress management, the sleep optimization, just to name a few.
Yeah.
Now, they seem, people that don't really think about those as healing things to do, but those small little tweaks, they can really add up to make a huge difference in your overall health.
Yes, they do.